You guys, I just wanted to pop on here really quickly and not look like a ghost, but I just want to say thank you. I just want to say, like, thanks. Like, you guys are freaking so much fun to talk to, so much fun to interact with. Thank you for commenting and just letting me know that I helped you in any friggin' way, whether that would have been with where I get my extensions from, to what freaking mascara I use, to that my video made a little bit of sense. This is so much fun for me. I work a lot more than I have the opportunity to put content out, and then by the time freaking excuse my French, Saturday comes around, I'm like so beat, but like this season just has me really inspired, and I really just want to have like better quality stuff and like just like an area to do it in and just time. But it's like there's life too, like, you know, so it's really hard to just like really dive into it, but I do want to dive into it. I do want to make good videos and stuff. So I just want to say that thank you for supporting me and subscribing and all that stuff. I also wanted to mention too, if I know I do tell you guys to follow me on my social media outlets, but there still is a little part of me that's a little bit concerned about that, because you never know who someone is behind social media. So if you could just maybe DM me first or message me first on Facebook, Instagram, or Snapchat and just say, hey, I came from YouTube, I just want to interact. That'll make me feel a little bit more comfortable. I understand I'm already putting a lot of information out there, so it should be like kind of like not a big deal, but you never know who's behind a page, and I'd like to interact and actually know that you're a real person and all that. So for the people that have recently tried to add me and I haven't accepted you yet, just do that. Just send me a DM and just say where you came from and we can interact, because I love talking to you guys. So I hope you have a wonderful Wednesday. It is November the 14th. We're in the holiday season and I'm feeling oh so festive and oh so happy and oh so joyful. So I just want to say that I do have a couple things coming up in a couple of weeks that I really want to do. So stay tuned for that, and I'm gonna have definitely some videos going up for you guys, so it's gonna be fun. Love you. Bye.